Hey guys, welcome to Quant Lab. I have been talking about AI and the use of AI in quantitative finance for quite some time. In fact, that is one of the most crucial themes that I follow and track on this channel. Consistently, I keep talking about different tools, how to use things like ChatGPT or different AI models, large language models, to help build towards this conversation. So basically, kya kare, kaise kare, how to use these tools. There are a lot of features in GPT that you guys have must seen. Today is such a feature review. And what happened is this was like, I have been aware about this feature. It's called deep research, by the way. So if you see there's a button at the bottom, I only have available five, and there's a very limited version available even in the $20 plan within a month. So I ran one of them so that I can show you how this works. And it gives me a detailed insight on any topic. What kind of topics work is something that we will look at in this video, and we'll talk about that in detail. This is a pre-created chat because it takes a while. I just started with a simple question. If you don't know what an AI agent is, I asked it, and this is the standard answer it gave. Then the second time when I asked it with the search feature, which is this button, it looked at the internet and did more. But the third time I asked it with this option called deep research. And it is very important to understand the difference. The previous mode searched the internet, consolidated and summarized all of this and presented me the summary. But here, it asked me a question back. Can you clarify if you are looking for a general explanation on how AI agents work, or you are interested in something specific? And I am interested in specific. I am interested in trading bots which operates in Indian financial markets and only works on index fund. And then this ran for 7 minutes. Looked at 22 different sources, all different articles from Upstocks to swastika.com to some website, Zerodha Streak Review to TradingView Academy to marketfeed.com. And I just kept on searching. Daily Trading Mantra, Compare Share Brokers, Market Feed, Routers. It went on to looking at different websites which are platforms in India. And if you see, like this just a list is long, lot of different sorts of categories of sources. And then what it has done is it has looked for, started for trading bots, then it looked for trading bots in the market, looked for popular algorithmic trading platforms in the market, and then it was like, okay, I'm gonna look at five different platforms. So it took Zerodha Streak and a couple of more, which I'll show you the result. And then it's Zerodha Streak seems to be the most popular one, basis some sort of a Medium article. The Swastika Limb seems to offer algorithmic trading strategies, which could be the case. The website is more like not a review, but providing strategies as such. So then it went into looking for good websites like Streak, TradeTron, SEBI's guideline. Reddit went into talking about what Reddit is, how people are consuming this content, and then just a lot of activity for 7 minutes. When we read it, we really read it, right? It's understandable why it will take us few minutes to read an article. In 7 minutes, it looked through 22 different sources, not links, sources. So links could be more like 40, 45. And then it went through all of this to finally present me a report. And what does this report contain should blow you away if you're not already familiar with this. It talks about how trading bots and common strategies work. It's not just giving me theory, you'll see the details at which it has gone through. Talks about trend following, mean reversion, arbitrage, and other strategies, which is a great way to categorize strategies. Went into talking about platforms, different categories, broker APIs and support in the market, does trading platforms, brokerage platforms and exchange supports. Took through all of that like Zerodha Streak, TradeTron, AlgoBulls, QuantMan, custom code, and categorized into type, features, and broker integration. This sort of comparison could take days, if not hours for sure. Then it went into looking regulatory, which is something I did not even ask. It understood that it is important enough data points, so it looked it up, gave the entire detail of how the exchange infrastructure is there, what are the compliances, etc. Finally, trying to conclude and give me all of the USPs on the popular trading platform, be it Zerodha, TradeTron, AlgoBulls, others. Concluding it with best practices start small, risk management, bot monitoring, reviews, compliance, infrastructure. Some risks like technical glitches, market volatility, overfitting, strategy decay, competition and liquidity risk, platform and execution risk, regulatory and compliance risk, emotional detachment, all of it just came up with literally like a research paper. And this sort of evaluation would require very deep insights and understanding. The point is, I needed to do this. You can go much deeper. If you start at something else, it will figure out where to look. And if you guide it where to look,